So in the previous videos we are just going through the chapter number 7, that is decimals. In that we have reached up to the converting decimal into fractions. Okay, here we have seen the example number 8, 9. Okay, and now we will just directly go towards the conversion of fraction to decimal fraction. Okay, conversion of fractions to decimal fractions. So let us do that. Fractions to decimal fractions. Okay, so in that, the first example, which is example number 10, that is 179 upon 10. So we know that how to convert these fractions into decimal fractions. So here there is 1 0, then we have to put a point 1 this side, so that is 17.9. Okay, 17.9. Then another example, that is example number 11. Example number 11, that is 14 upon 1000. 14 upon 1000. Okay, so here 14 upon 1000, there are 3 zeros over here, but there is only 2 numbers. Then what we have to do, we have to add a 0. That is first jump, second and third. So 0.014 is our answer. Okay, then example number 12. Example number 12, that is 17 upon 50. 17 upon 50. So here in this there is 1 0, but here it is 5, not 1. So I have to make the denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, so what I will do, if I multiply 50 with 2, then I will get 100. 50 into 2, then I will get, that is 100. Okay, so here 50 into 2, that is 100, and 17 into 2, that is 7 2s are 14, 1 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, that is 4. So here is 34 by 100. So here there are 2 zeros and 2 digits, so 0.34 is our answer. Please note down the students if you want. Then the another one is 13. Example number 13, that is 346. Example number 13, that is 346 upon 125. So here it is 125. So we have to convert this into 1000. So how we will convert this? So 125 into how much, then we will get 1000. So here if I say 100, now first of all use the estimation process. Here if I say, that is, here it is 100. Okay, then 100 into 10, that is 1000, but here it is 25. So we have to, if I am we multiply 10 with 25, then your answer will be 250. So I have to minus what? 2 times 250, 250. So if I multiply 125 with 8, then 8 5s are 40. 8 2s are 16 plus 2, 20. 8 2s are, 8 1s are 8 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10. So here you can see the answer. Okay, so what should I multiply? I have to multiply 3, 4, 6 upon 125 into 8 and 3, 4, 6 into 8. Now multiplying 3, 4, 6 into 8. 6 6 are 36, 6 7 are 42, 6 8 are 48. 8 4 are 32, 32 plus 4 that is 36. 8 3 are 24, 24 plus 3 that is 27. Okay, so here 2768 upon 1000. Okay, then here there is 3 zeros, then we have to put a point before 3 digits, that is 1 2 3. So 2.768. 2.768 is your answer. Please note down this. Here there is another method, that is long division method. Let us see that also. That is, convert 3 by 5 into decimal fractions. That is example number 14. 3 by 5 into decimal. Okay, then here you can see, if I divide 5 with 3, then how we will divide this? Okay, so 5 is greater than 3, so first of all you have to point 0, then after point, then here it will come 0. So say 5 6 are 30, so your answer is 0.6. 0.6 is your answer. Okay, now example number 15, that is example number 15. 3 by 12. Okay, so in 3 by 12, how we will use this? So 12 divided by 3. So as usual you have to put 0, then after point. Okay, then here it will be 30. 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24, and here remains 6. And if I add here 0, then here also 0. 12 5s are 60. So your answer is 0.205. Okay, your answer is 0.205. Please note down this, students, and we will move further. And here this came at exercise 7C. So from that also, from all questions we will do 2 to 3 sums. Okay, so here exercise 7C. Exercise 7C. Okay, in that the question number 1, that is convert the following decimals into fractions. We have to convert this into fractions. So from that I will just do is that is it is easy. So we will do H, that is 43.800, and another we will do is I, that is 0.036. 0.036. Okay, so let us do that. Here we know how to convert this. The decimal after how many digits are there, we have to just divide that digit and convert into fraction. So here first of all 3 digits are there, then 43800 upon 1, 2 and 3. So this is your answer. And another one, here is also 3 digit. So what here? 0036 upon 1000. Why? Because 3 digit is there after the decimal point. But if we don't write these two zeros, then it's okay. If you don't write this, then it is fine. So 36 by 1000 is our answer. And question number 2, convert the following into decimals. So here converting that is question number 2. Convert the following into decimal fractions. From that we will do is G, that is 7 by 1000, and H 7749 by 1000. Okay, so let us do that. Here 3 digits are there, then we have to put the decimal points after 3 digits, but there is only 1 digit, so else we have to add 0. So we will do is, here is 1 digit, 2, 3, then after point and after 0. So our answer is 0.007, that is James Bond. Okay, here moving towards next. 3 digit, here also 3 digits, so we have to put a decimal point after the 3 digit, that is jump number 1, jump number 2 and jump number 3. So our answer will be 7.749. Okay, this is our answer. Please note down this, students, question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 3. So, in question number 3, convert the following to the decimal fraction by converting the denominator to 100, 10, 100, 1000, etc. So, here we have to convert that. For that, question number 3, we will do is E, that is 16 by 25, and the F, that is 52 by 40, and also the I, that is 8 by 125. So we will do this 3. So here what is to be multiplied by 25, then we will get our answer, that is 100. So if I multiply 25 into 4, then it is 100. So I have to also multiply by 4. So 25 into 4, that is 100. Then 6 4s are 24. Okay? No. Yes, 24, and 4 1 are 4 plus 2 64. So our answer is, here it is 64 upon 100. Then our answer will be, here it is 2 digits, so 0.64. Okay, 0.64. And here, moving towards our next f, that is 52 upon 40. F, that is 52 upon 40. 52 upon 40. So here, how we will convert this into 10, 100 or 1000. So here you can see it can be cut by 2 first of all. So 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and here comes 10. So we can get our answer, that is 13 by 10. So now it is already in the 10, 100 or 1000 form. So we will directly write the answer, that is 1.3. Okay, 1.3. Now here comes I, that is 8 upon 125. 8 upon 125. 8 upon 125. So here we have to just convert this 125 into 1000. Then here we have done before, in that I write before, I have done that 125 into 8, that is 1000. So 8 upon 125 into 8 into 8. So 8 8s are 64 upon 1000. Okay, so here there are 2 digits and here there are 3. Okay, so how we will do is 0.064 is our answer. Please note down, the students. Now, doing the question number 4 over this side. Question number 4. Okay. In that, convert the following fractions to decimal by the long division method. So from that we will do is G, that is 3 4 by 5, and I, that is 13 by 40. Okay, so we will do this. So 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4, 19 by 5. Yes or not, students? Yes. Now we will divide this. That is 19. I have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then 5 3s are 15. here comes 0, here comes 4, then it is small, then we have to put a point over here, then it will come 0. Okay, so here 5 8s are 40, 0 0. So our answer is 3.8. Okay, our answer is 3.8. Please note down this, students, and just moving towards the another one, that is 13 by 40. So first of all 40 into 3, 40 into 13, here 3 into 0 0, 4 3s are 12 plus 0 0, 4 1s are 4, 0 2 5, 520 plus 13, that is 533 upon 40, 533 upon 40. So here 40 divided by 533, then 41 are 40, then here remaining 1 and here remaining 3. So this 3 will come out. 4 3s are 12, so 43s are 120, 0 1 3, and if I put a point over here, then 0. 4 3s are 12, so 4 30s are, here comes 10. Then again if I put a 0, then here will be 100. So 42s are 80, then your answer will be 20. Then again if I put a 0 over here, then 4 5s are 20, so 45s are 200, 0 0 0. Then this is our answer, that is 13.30205. Okay, so please note down this. And your today's homework is, students, homework, that is remaining sums of exercise 7C, question number 1, question number 1 2 3 4. And in next video from 4 I will do other 2 to 3 sums, okay, because I think this question number 4 is hard for you. So from in next video I will do question 4, another 2 to 3 sums. You just try first of all. Okay, students, we will meet in the next video. Bye.